Hello, today I am here to introduce you to Chattino. In its SQL version, Chattino SQL is an intelligent assistant that allows to speed up and simplify data analysis in a business context. The chat is a program based on OpenAI-GPT technology and allows converting prompts given in natural language into SQL queries and finally the results. All this aims to allow even those who are not experts in SQL to query CSV files and extract information. As we can see within our Chattino, we can upload multiple CSV files simultaneously, up to a maximum limit of 200 megabytes, a limit we have set for demonstration purposes. We have a preview of the files we have uploaded, and this preview is easily accessible. If I search for a specific record, I can query the preview. For example, I search for Mr. Pietro. Pietro. I find a result, and it is highlighted for me. And at the bottom, I find the loaded tables and schemas. Here the chat tells me it has recognized the table with its name, for example, the agents table, and the names of the columns that populate that table, that CSV file. Here we are presented with two very important features of the Chattino. The first is that the Chattino is capable of autonomously recognizing the logical relationships between the tables, such as the primary key and the secondary key. Another very important function of the chat is to convert the names present within the columns into more friendly names. For example, if you had a column named iSales, chat can automatically rename it, for instance, to sales. Thus, natural language becomes, indeed, more natural. Now, let's put our SQL chat to the test and see what it can produce. I've prepared some prompts for you. Let's see this first question. Extract the agents who have sold over 30 million in each area of the northeast or northwest in descending order of total. Copy, paste, and send the prompt. We are waiting for the query to be generated. Here, we have the newly generated query, and at the bottom the result of the query. Clearly, we can also download, query, or simply expand this result. Let's put it a bit more to the test. Let's look for another question. For example, extraction of the names of customers and agents who have achieved an amount of at least 10 million in branch V. The V branch is a branch present within the products table under the sector column. We paste, send the prompt, and wait for the query to be generated. Okay, our little tool has generated a query. It shows us that it is capable of performing joins. And here, as usual, we have our result. Let's see if the chat is capable of generating subqueries. For example, list the distinct names of customers from the Mi province who have made a total expenditure exceeding the overall average of orders from customers in the same province. We copy, paste, and send the prompt. As we can see, it is capable of also performing subqueries that even include a join. And here is our result. I thank you for your courtesy and attention. This is clearly only a beta version of our chat in SQL, which will soon be ready to take a leap forward.